Izingane Zesithembu Season 4 is on the way on 28th of August. Season 4 is different from other seasons. Musamseleku had his 3 children, Munini, Thando, and Owami. Now they are adults, and Mpumelelo and his 2 wives, Amahle and Tirelo and Lwahle, but we didn't see Lwahle's girlfriend because last time on season 9 we saw Lwahle was staying with his girlfriend. I don't understand why they don't add her, because even Tirelo didn't marry to Mpumelelo, but Tirelo is the part of Izingane Zesithembu. Why Lwahle's girlfriend? Maybe about her parents. I don't understand what's going on. And Impilo, we want to see what's going on with Impilo to explain to us the whole story about Musamseleku, how she is feeling about her father Musamseleku last time on season 9. He says he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. So we want to hear her voice about how she is feeling, because Mpilo didn't describe on season 9 about Sneh and her kids, who is the father of Sneh's child, because Sneh last time lied to Musamseleku about the father of the child. So there is a lot of things is going to be happen on that program. Thando last time on season 9 was complaining about her mother Sneh. People were saying many things about Sneh. That's why those kids, they joined that program. Munini on the other side and Owami. So it is going to be an amazing show. Even the song, they change the song, they change the way they are advertising, they are shooting. Guys, the Musamseleku is doing a legacy for his kids for tomorrow if he is dead. You know that when Musamseleku is dead, Uthando Nesithembu is no more. But Izingane Zesithembu is going forward. Those kids, they can continue to earn money. That's why he is aiding them. But Musamseleku didn't bring Obanzi, Zenande, and Metuli. They are going to join the program when they are adults, like Mnini, Thando, and Owami. So it is a good idea what Musamseleku decide to do. Musamseleku have an opportunity to open Uthando Nesithembu, but he took another decision that he can open again another program. It's another extra money he can have for his kids. That money for Uthando Nesithembu is the share Musamseleku and his wives and his kids. They have got their own money, their own share. Musamseleku have got other 2 extra programs. That programs are his money. So Musamseleku is a businessman, guys. He saw that there is a lot of money on that to shoot the content, especially the reality shows. The reality shows, they don't use a lot of expenses. What I saw on reality shows, it's only cameras. Even they are going to diaries, they can change, or you've got 2 clothes, 2 outfits, they can change only. They don't use a lot of money like they are shooting the film, they are shooting the drama. So guys, there is a lot is going to be happen, because Musamseleku and Awongwe are the producers. Awongwe doesn't have drama like that. Awongwe is a kind of person who want to have privates, but we want drama on on television, like Mpumelelo and Sneh. Mpumelelo and Sneh are those people who have got drama than other people. So people were expecting that Lwahle's girlfriend is going to join to the show. Maybe Lwahle's parents doesn't allow their daughter to be on television now, because maybe they saw her last time, but they are not okay to see her again, that they didn't pay the bride price or what. We don't know what's going on about their relationship. So there is a lot, guys, is going to be happen on those programs, because we can't live, guys, without Uthando Nesithembu, without Musamseleku and his family. Now that we want other programs, we don't care about other programs, but when they bring us uthando nesithembu, izingane sesitembu, we are okay on that.